This problem tests your concept on Newton's second law and simple harmonic motion, and you have to find position and momentum of a particle. So question says, a block of mass 5 kg moves along the x direction subjected to the force, and this force is given with the value x in meter. So force is equals to minus 20x plus 10 Newton. At time t equals to 0 second, it is at rest position at x equals to 1 meter. The position and momentum of the block at t is equals to pi by 4 second r. So you have to find position and momentum at t equals to pi by 4 second. So let us try to solve this problem, and we will use Newton's second law. So if you remember, Newton's second law is force equals to mass times acceleration, or acceleration equals to force by mass. Force is given and mass is also given. So we can calculate acceleration. So acceleration will be this force divided by mass, that is 5 kg. So this will be minus 4 times x minus 1 by 2. So if you divide by 5, you will have this expression. Now if you see, the acceleration is basically related to the position x, and there is a negative sign also. This gives me a hint that this is a simple harmonic motion. So this is a SHM. So basically acceleration I can also write dv by dt, and v can also write as dx by dt. So acceleration can be written as d2x by dt square, and this is equals to minus omega square x, but in this case x is x minus 1 by 2. So shifted origin case. So now this confirms that this is a simple harmonic motion, SHM. We can further write, if I place x minus 1 by 2 here, it will not change the equation, because differentiation of x minus 1 by 2 is simply x. Basically x minus 1 by 2, if you differentiate twice, this equation can be converted into this equation. Because this is a constant term, differentiation of constant term will be 0. Why I am doing this? I am doing this to match this. So this is basically my bigger x, and this is my bigger x. So now it completely resembles with the simple harmonic motion. So this is d2 by dt square equals to minus omega square by, where by equals to x minus 1 by 2. So now I can write solution of this equation. So simple harmonic motion and solution of a simple harmonic motion is given by equals to a sin omega t plus b cos omega t, or a cos omega t plus b sin omega t, where a and b are the constant, and in this case by equals to x minus 1 by 2, and omega is basically 2, because omega square is 4, so omega is 2. So now I can write solution is like this. A and b are constant, and we can find this using the given condition. So two condition is given: at t equals to 0, x equals to 1, and at t equals to 0, velocity is equals to 0, because it is given that this was at rest, block was at rest at t equals to 0, at x equals to 1. So using these two conditions, we can find a and b. So let's first plug t equals to 0, x equals to 1. So x equals to 1 and t equals to 0, so this means 1, so I will have a, and this is 0, because sine of 0 is 0. So from here I can get a equals to 1 by 2. Now the second condition, that is t equals to 0, v equals to 0. But to find v, I have to differentiate this. So if you differentiate this, differentiation of x is v, and this is 0, and a cos 2t will be minus 2a sin 2t, and this will be plus 2b cos 2t. Let us put t equals to 0, so this term will be 0, so I will have this term only, so 2b, because cos 0 is 1. So this is 2b equals to 0 because velocity is 0, this means v equals to 0. So now b equals to 0, this means this term is not there. So this is the only solution, that is x minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 cos 2t, or I can take 1 by 2 this side, so this becomes x equals to 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2t. We have to find at t equals to pi by 4. So let's plug t equals to pi by 4. So this will be 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2, because 2 will cancel, so pi by 2 is 0, so x equals to 1 by 2. We can also find velocity at pi by 4. So velocity is given by this formula, and if you put t equals to pi by 4 and b is equals to 0 basically, so this term is already 0. So I will only have minus 2a sin 2t, and a is what? A is 1 by 2. So you see a is 1 by 2. So I have basically placed it here 1 by 2, or simply you can differentiate this. If you differentiate this, dx by dt will be b. So this is 1 by 2 and differentiation of 1 will be 0, and cos 2t will be minus 2 sin 2t. Differentiation of cos 2t will be minus 2 sin 2t. Now let's plug t equals to pi by 4. So this will be pi by 4. So this is pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is equals to 1. Now we can find the momentum. Momentum is mass times velocity. Mass is 5 kg and velocity is 1. So this is 5 kg meter per second. So now I know the position at pi by 4 and momentum at t equals to pi by 4. I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.